Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Masjid Al-Farooq's Phase 2 construction area. We are currently standing on level 3, which is 36 feet underground. Behind me is the entire P3 level completed. And you can refer to some of our previous videos if you'd like to have a walk around of that. We wanted to show you the current progress over here, which is the car ramp. But just to help you get oriented where we are, we're actually on the southeast side of the property. You can see the crane and the masjid and also the old masjid. So I'm actually standing on the car ramp that has been completed. The concrete has been poured from P3 to P2. And even some of the walls, the car ramp wall from P3 going up to P2 has been done. That was actually just done now. So now we can actually walk up from P3 to P2 using a car ramp. And of course, cars will be able to drive on this up and down to access these two levels. Behind me, you're actually seeing P2, which is identical with P3 where we were just at. And above that is the P1 level. We cannot walk up a ramp yet. That still has to be done, but we'll use the stairs and show you P1, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, I am now standing on the P1 level. I'm standing inside the parking, which is now 12 feet underground. Behind me is the entire P1 level. This level is actually shared between parking and the building itself, the building basement actually. So we'll go over there and show you a few features of what has been completed. So on this level, this parking level, the brothers will be able to get in through this entrance, and this is a stairwell for them. And there'll be a hallway here, but this is the brothers' access from P1 into the building basement, as you can see. We'll also show you another doorway here, a very important doorway from, once again, accessing from P1. This is the door for the ghusl facility, and it will be very easy to bring the mayyit in from P1. Of course, the room has not been built yet. That's a different contractor. That is not foundation work, but this is where the ghusl room will be. It's a very large room actually, and we'll show another opening. This opening is for the kitchen, so it is very easily accessible from the P1 level. Food can be delivered down to this level and brought directly into the kitchen. Kitchen is a nice brand new kitchen, very large, designed by a kitchen consultant specializing in this type of commercial kitchen design. And one more entrance, although it's right next door, but I want to show you, inshallah, from the P1 level. This opening is for the sisters. The sisters will access from P1 into the building basement through here. Here we have the sisters' stairwell that comes from level 3 up to here and will continue up to the roof or the second floor. Sisters' elevator was just poured today. So these forms will come off by next week, inshallah. We'll see the sisters' elevator has reached the main floor. Here we have the brothers' elevator shaft that has been done up to the main level as well. And right beside that is the brothers' stairwell. And the stairwell has been formed up to the main level as well. 2 more levels to go. This pillar over here actually is the northeast corner of the gymnasium. So there will be a wall, once again done by a different contractor because it's not foundation work. But there'll be a wall here. So this is the eastern limit of the gymnasium. this is the north wall of the gymnasium, and in fact, this wall is the northern wall of the entire building. So this will be going straight up to the roof level, but above this is going to be masonry, not concrete. It's not foundation work, but the foundation work has been done, as you can see, for the north wall of the building and gymnasium. Brothers and sisters, this is the west wall of the building and the gymnasium. This wall will also continue upwards to the roof. Once again, that will be masonry, but the foundation part that must go to the ground level has been done, as you can see. We're done on this side. We showed you the south building wall, but we'll show you again quickly. So here is, once again, we're standing at the south building wall. This is the entrance from P1 for the brothers. We'll be able to get into the basement. This will be the ghusl room and some other rooms, then the kitchen, and then the sisters' entrance. Brothers and sisters, I'm now standing on the ground level, which is directly above P1, which we showed you before. As you can see behind me, we're almost back to where we were in terms of the ground level. You can see the grass behind me along Eglinton. Our driveway entrance is also very close here. So inshallah soon, we hope when this is finished, we'll be able to drive in, but you will be driving on this surface like we used to. This will be completed soon. This decking, we'll put concrete, stone, and then asphalt, and replace what we had before the construction. Now this is a good opportunity to see the south building limit that faces Eglinton. Okay, the entrance to the new building will be approximately in this location, but this is the south wall of the new building. It will go directly up to the roof. This will be a different contractor. This is not actually foundation work. What we're doing now is foundation work, actually. So we can show you around. You see the building here. You see the crane, and now you can, from here, you can see the basement that we were showing you around before. So brothers and sisters, Jazakumullahu khairan for your support up to here to do all this foundation work. The next step is the structural steel, which is the frame or the skeleton of the building itself, a very important step. We appeal to you for help with that next step, inshallah, which is fundamental and critical to do things like putting the main floor and putting up the second floor and the roof. We need approximately 9,000 linear feet of structural steel. The cost is $100 per linear foot. We ask that you sponsor 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet, 10 feet, whatever you can. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it as sadaqatun jariyah on your behalf. Please try to donate on behalf of others, maybe for your parents, your children, other family members, or whoever. And try to do that so that you can double your ajr, because if you donate on behalf of your parents, for example, they will get the ajr, and because you're the one making the donation, you will get the ajr, and alhamdulillah, by this you will double your ajr. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it as sadaqatun jariyah. To donate for steel is very easy. You can go to our website Masjid.com and click the donate steel button, and that will take you to a page that will give you all the information, how much we have to collect, how much we've collected, instructions on how to do the donation or the sponsorship. Please try to do that, brothers and sisters, as much as possible. Forward this page and this information to your family and friends so that we can get started on the upper levels of the building as soon as possible, inshaAllah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.